Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2016 Audi A4. It's a premium Quattro S-Line, 117,000 miles. If you're looking for a nice little all-wheel drive sedan under $10,000, this is a solid pick. We just serviced it, fresh oil change. It drives really well. See, the body's in really good shape. Do a quick walk around here, check out the inside. Interior's clean, has sunroof. This has nav, heated seats, push button start. Has aftermarket seat cushions on it. They're super comfortable. There is a tear behind there, right here on the armrest part. But besides that, I mean, they look good and they're super comfortable. We'll go ahead and start her up. 117,000 miles on it. If it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Audi, a Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a shout. We can help you out in our service department. Thanks for checking out our video.